What a day. It's not over yet. It's 9:15 at night. I've been here since 6:30 this morning, so it's been one of those long, awful, grinding days. But what's the scores? Well, I'm not actually in too bad a position at the moment. As you've just seen, there was a decent amount cashed out throughout the day from the US CAD, taking bits and pieces off as I go. Had a bit of a break at the news event, then kept on going. Did alright. Cable, on the other hand, it really has been a story of two halves. The first half was a massacre, and it really had me a bit concerned. However, it's turned round. And as you saw, it's come down into decent levels. Yes, I'm still underwater, but not too bad. What I've decided to do is I'm going to let the card run overnight because it's risk-free. Can't lose anything, and if it comes and stops me out, I'll still get quite a few quid out of it. But my belief is that cable will still continue to go south throughout the night. Now, what I've done is I pulled the stop down pretty tight. So if it does decide to reverse, it's not going to damage me too badly. And I've set some targets, not very big targets. It's a day trade, not a swing trade. So I kind of want to be out of it. So I'm just going to let the market run down, see if it takes me out for a few quid. So it's a nice surprise to wake up to in the morning, or something I can get out of relatively easy tomorrow. Unless I decide to continue with the trade, but I'll look at that again when I do an analysis at 6:30 tomorrow morning. So what have we got? Well, let's have a look at the scores on the doors. See, today, I'll pull the sheet up in just a second. I pulled in another 121 pips. So even if cable does come and knock me out of the game, I'm still relatively profitable for this week. In fact, I'll be pretty well profitable because that grossed me £609 with money in the bag as well. And the stop losses they might wipe out today's takings, or the best part of it, but it won't wipe me out. You know, I'm sitting on £1,962.50 over the last 3 days, just by being relatively cautious in what I'm doing. You know, yeah, today's been one of those days that I wish it could have gone a bit better, but it's still done pretty much what I said it would have done this morning. You know, did move up. I did a schoolboy error. I got in a little bit too early on cable. Happens to us all. But I'm a big believer in direction. So if I get the direction correct, it'll forgive a bad entry. But you've got to be prepared to manage it. And you've got to have the shoulders enough to take the stress when you are managing it. And yeah, I sit on a lot of heat from time to time. And when you look at the figures, they're quite nasty. But the actual pips that it was moving against me wasn't that bad. You know, it's not as bad as what it looks. It's just because of the position size, that's all. So, all in all, been a reasonable day. Not a day I've enjoyed too much, but that's trading, guys. You know, you cannot dictate your will on the market. You can only look at the markers, look at the clues, put them together and make an informed choice. And hopefully your choice is correct. But the other side of the coin is not to panic when things go wrong. Stick to your conviction, follow it through, and stay calm. So that's it. It's knocking on. I'm going to trade the coffee in for a beer, have a little bit of a nightcap, switch everything down so I can calm my mind down. We'll do it all again tomorrow. But just so you can see what the pip count and everything is for today, and I will continue this on tomorrow. I'll run a live trade tomorrow so you can see what happened as a follow-on to this. And we'll just take it from there. But here's the pip count. Okay guys, been a great day. And thank you for those who have jumped onto the Scruffy Squad today. 4 of you. I'll get you some proper shout outs in the coming videos. But I really do appreciate it. And I really am grateful for the support that you're giving me. I thank you. And remember guys, do what you love and the money will follow. I'll see you all in the next one.